can do anything you want with it. Or else settings, then give it the original field, then save. So we can always move back and forth on the phone. So it should be here and you'll be working along with it. So you move anywhere you want and look through anything. So in this way, you shall come and look for Summit Technologies. Then you come and connect to this one. Tells you checking your network. So now we want to look at, we want to generate a profile, right? User profile, right? These are the profiles that are available. We have Saturdays, we have 7 days, we have 24 hours, we have 12 and 1 hour. Right? So the expiry mode is removed, validity one hour, and then price. So we want to come and see, the configurations of this one. It is in 1 hour, none, shared user. This one it has no limit. Remove and record 1 hour and this and this. So we want to create one profile. So we come to add. We want to test with 5 minutes. We want to test with what? 3 minutes. None shared user 1, select expiry, remove and record. This is what they want. Remove and record. So we come here and we want to add for 3 what? For 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So we select the remove and record. Price is maybe 200. Then here 200. Validity. Look at the format here. That M is for minutes. So this is supposed to be 2 minutes. That M is for minutes. That D is for that D. So here we go. But because we are testing, let us put 2 minutes. We don't want to be there for long. Actually, you can also put 1 minute. One what? So we are creating this profile and we want to ensure that someone uses our internet for only 1 minute. We want to see the logic that happens after 1 minute. How is that person logged down? We want to see the logs of how the system behaves. Because for it, it automatically gets that person out. Okay? Yes. So we want to go to users and add a user. On the server, hotspot server. So when we come here, in IP, the server is hotspot 1. Hotspot 1. So even when you say all, it means the same because there is nothing else. All is this one. It is either this one or nothing. That is why we leave this as here. So the name you can put test1. You control A, control C. We paste the same thing here. Test what? Default is we want 1 minute. We want to come here One what? 1 minute. Save. Come back to users, add user, all, that's okay. That one, test one. The profile is one what? 1 minute. Then time limit, this one we leave them like that. Because the moment you say 1 minute, it has its time limit. We set time limit already, 1 m. So test one, we save this password. We save. Then we come and watch the logs. Now, these are logged out, keep timeout, this one. So we shall come and watch the logs. How people are logging in. Okay? So we shall come on our phone here. Then you see now this one says connected without what? Internet. But it is not giving us the what? The login screen. Eh? This one is not giving us the login screen. phone connects and shows no what? No internet, and also not giving us the what? The login what? The login screen. Solution is to go into web browser and access the what? The DNS of our what? Our hotspot server. Eh? So the DNS is here. The DNS, you come to IP, you come to hotspot, then you come to profile, double click. So we come to server. We double click here and look for DNS. Server, hotspot pool, DNS is here. So when we double click in it, I'll come to Geno. This is the DNS. So you copy it, and it is the one that the login page is located on. So we come on the phone. Then we want to look for maybe from then we type in this Wi-Fi.net. Wi-Fi. This side can't be accessed. Move back. We forget. To connect again. Active. We don't have anyone. Connect only is already connected. It says now connected without internet. Then we want to see okay. So we come here. I try to reach this again. need to come and see the active users. Okay. Need to really know which IP address I'm connected to. Hey. So you find we are still on the other router. We are still on the other router because it is almost the one. This is the IP address I had, 131. So it is meaning even when I'm connecting to this one, I am getting internet from this straight. It is bypassing uh, the router. You need to check also. I think come back. When you come back here, we want we now want we shall then be, you see now things are working. Things are now working. See now we have an active user. Ah! So you see, it was the main reason as why this phone was also known as yeah. If you want to prove that, you come to IP config. This is one SYZ. Come to come to come here and refresh. Huh? Log in by microtik. Now this person has logged in again. Eh? So we want to go back to the phone. Take them out of it. Want to come back to the phone here. Eh? Now we have another person who has this one. Jack has also come on. Huh? So we want to refresh this. Want to refresh this. Enter. So we want to come back here. Summit take one. Summit take that. So we want to first forget this one, come back from confusion, then we come to connect to it again. Now it will give it an IP address starting with 10, 11. So this one connected without internet, always connect. So we expect a login page to come. Because we have changed the other one to microtik, so it is following the microtik now. Someone else has connected. Uh-huh. So we want to come back to the browser here. So I want to see which IP address is being used on this one here. Now this one is still receiving the other IP. This one is still receiving the other IP. we need to first give the server, this Wi-Fi server, then we resuscitate it. So when we come to logs here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to basically see which IP address it is assigned to this one, because that is what is important. The moment we say it giving it reference, still giving it this one, no, still giving it this one. The moment it is still giving it that one, the answer is one. Someone is saying here reference to one. Advantage is loading automatically. Tuufu kino tulina okugenda mu kalawuta ne tusooka tukajjako gundi kuba tekali kukkiriza okufuna sika intaneti esukka mu y'omu kati jjukira twakafiltalinze twakataddeko filter means we need to first move to it and first process that. The moment we process that, I think we shall be ready to pass through. Then have this address, and that is all I wanted. Because if it has this IP address, then we can basically come here. See if we can connect your cables and put in routers modems. I think we need to reboot because even when this one, when it is stuck somewhere, next time. So we want to reboot it. Now, I think when we reboot, we shall basically have internet detected. Huh? Okay. Now we expect that when we come and connect back again, I want to get this. Wire connected without internet. Kakati. We need to come back here. Yes, accept. So I guess we now have. They are very many. They are very many. We are right now past having like this. Let's make sure. Yeah? Oh, we need to come back here. Actually, and come back on this. So we want to look at the logs. When this one connects, we want to look at its behavior. Connected, that's this one. first delete this one, but we shall delete the IP here. It is on IP02 here. So we shall come here. Let us. So because it's now connected to the right IP address, we expect it to give us feedback. Or we come and we log out. Log out. You're going to travel of deleting, right? On it. So that's a dual login page. Yeah? So we want to come here and remove this one. So the moment we come back on the phone here and connect, we also want to see, sign into network. Yes. Yes. Now the page. So we say user one. So we come here and look at the logs. We have put user 2, which is wrong. So it tells us user 2 login failed. Media server not responding. So user 2 does not exist. So we come back here. So look at the logs. We put user 3. Then the logs tell us user 3 logout failed. So when we put user 1 who is for 1 minute, look here. User 1 will be accepted. Look here. User 1 will be. They put user 1? No. We put user 1. Now, user, hey. No, but user 1 is logged in. User 1 logged in. Is already logged in. Has been given this IP address. User 1 are reconnected. User 1. No, are reconnected. That way, away over IP address. But one ajja, wanakomawo wano. Jakumuletera connected. Wakati tulabe user 1 wano. Just see. Hotspot users, user list. And you come and search for that user specifically. You know one, Aina marker. Actually, the user 1 can use. That only user 1. Maybe we didn't save. Test 1. test one user list. Java test one, see user one. Why is it delay? Akati, you want to come here and put in test one on for 1 minute. So I want to go back on logs dashboard here, and then we look at the logs here. So we come on the phone and we put in test one, test one, and we log in. Look at the logs here. Well, test one, you are connected. So this one, now this one connected. So we have this person. Now we expect after 1 minute, this person will do what? Will be logged out. See? Logged out after 1 minute. So when we search, I'll get internet. So this one will stay logged in until when the 1 minute gets done. So hotspot uses keep alive time. When you come here, when you come to cookies, it will create cookies for all the users. Test one, that is their IP address. Then it will, when you come to active, you look for test one, and test one will have used this type. They have used it these seconds. So whenever when 1 minute expires, we shall have this one sent out of the one out of the network. Because of the 1M restriction, that person is supposed to use this internet restricted 1 minute. So there we don't do anything, you see, logged out. In only one what? 1 minute. So when we come back to this person here, when we come to this person, they have been logged out. Logged out. So the moment they search again, they're not being positioned. See? That's that. So when you come back here to this Wi-Fi, you see it will tell you sign in. It resets and sends you to the login one. Now when you click here, it will tell you to do what? To sign in again. You are expired. So we track this here, and that is how we create user profiles. So if we want him to be have 2 days or 3 days, that is how you create a profile and assign a user to that profile. So if you want 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days, want to connect him for 30 days. So we pick any that and we paste it here and we log them in. So they are connected, and when we come to logs, connected, not secured. When we come to logs here, we shall see this person auth login by HTTP chat. So this one has used the internet for 1 minute and has been what? Logged down automatically. The moment that minute reaches, that person is pushed out of the network. So managing this is very easy to manage this. Doesn't have a lot of technology.